Alright, but today my mom is vacuuming and this is my dog's reaction. It's really adorable.
Get his face.
Say that. Also, guys, my mom don't have YouTubes. Thank God.
Here.
Come on, baby. Look at his tail. His tail is going. Unlike most dogs who's afraid. Unlike most dogs, my dog is not afraid of the vacuum. He's a Siberian Husky. Mixed with a Great Dane, guys. He's gonna get big.
Okay, that's it.
Keep recording just in case if something happens. Sleepy, come.
No, he won't, Alex.
Guys, look at this. Look at this
Oh my God,
baby.
he's lying beside it.
Look at that baby. I love that baby. You guys should have seen it when we had the big one. Oh, wait. Here's the big one, guys. Oh, he's moving.
Is he following me? What? No. Now it's cute. Come on this side. Up him. Just look at his ears.
This is going straight on my YouTube channel.
What's the matter?
Y'all. Some of y'all like to call this guy dog noise, but honestly, oh, he just did a little yawn. Yeah, he went. Oh.
Next up. He's like, okay, well, I'm gonna go to the top. Is that where he is?
Yeah, he's at the top. Ah, Sleepy, get out of my room.
Kate, shut up your film then, please.
Sleepy, get out. Out of my room. Alright.